Hey, welcome back. Today in loops practice section, let's see how to print a Fibonacci series. But what exactly is a Fibonacci series? Now it's a series or a sequence of number where each number is the sum of previous two numbers. Confused? Well, let me elaborate. Now the series starts with 0 and 1. The next number in the series is the sum of these two numbers, which is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. The fourth number in the series will be 1 plus 1, 2. The fifth number in the series will be 1 plus 2, 3. And the rest of the numbers are also calculated the same way. Now let's say a number n is given to you. For n equal to 5, we need to print the first 5 numbers in the series, which will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now if n is 3, we got to print 0, 1, 1. Let's try to sketch out the logic to solve this problem step by step. The first step, we know that the series starts with two numbers, 0 and 1. So we save these values somewhere because we have to add them up later on. So a equal to 0, b equal to 1. Let's print these numbers we have with us. So print a and b. After this point, to get the rest of the numbers in the series, we'll have to pick two numbers, add them up. Again, pick the next two numbers, add them up. Now these steps are performed repeatedly, right? So time to bring in a loop here. But how do we decide how many times this will run? Now we have already printed two numbers, 0 and 1. We were supposed to print n numbers in total, which means the count of numbers remaining for us to print will be n minus 2, right? So our loop will run n minus 2 times. The first thing we do inside the loop is to add the two numbers we stored inside a and b. So this addition needs to be stored inside some other variable, let's say c. We've calculated c, let's print it out. Now our loop doesn't end here. Now the values of a and b were 0 and 1. But for the next iteration, a and b should be updated to 1 and 1, right? Let's draw this out. So 0 was a and 1 was b. We did a plus b to get c, which is 1. So this is what we have with us. Now in the next iteration, the second number should be our new a and the third number should be our new b. How do you think we can do this? Well, it's simple. Focus on what is happening here. If you look closely, the value of b gets assigned to a and the value of c gets assigned to b. So in code, we can write it something like this. A equal to b, b equal to c. So in every iteration, these two lines will help us shift the values of a and b by one step. Thank you.